Good morning, Ameline. Visitors begin to flock to the Manila North Cemetery this morning, but so far, as you can see, the place is not yet crowded. So far, the crowd estimate only stands at around 500, but the Manila Police expects the number to reach the 1 million mark or even more than that for the entire day. This is substantial but lower than last year since the Undas weekend was scattered into 5 days. Now, since Saturday, we've seen hundreds of thousands of people who spend their day with their loved ones. They lighted candles, cleaned their grave sites, and offered prayers. Security now, as you can see, remains tight. Inspections are thorough. More than 800 flammable materials and about 100 bladed weapons have been confiscated so far. Authorities do not even allow the entry of rubbing alcohol and matchboxes, which are considered as prohibited materials. But visitors are allowed to buy these items inside the cemetery. Now, more than 100 police and 200 more augmentation forces have been on standby. So far, there is no imminent security threat, but the PNP remains alert. Now, if you're coming here, make sure not to bring prohibited items, drink lots of water, bring an umbrella, and of course, be prepared to walk some more going inside.